Are you looking for the best robot vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best robot vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Shark AV2511 EAI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Experience deep cleaning with Shark AV2511 EAI Ultra Robot Vacuum, a powerful and efficient robot vacuum with incredible suction that picks up dirt and debris on all floor types. With matrix clean navigation, this vacuum cleans in a precise matrix grid, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris for whole home, deep cleaning coverage. It features a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris, and 360 degrees LiDAR vision that quickly and accurately maps your home for precision home mapping. Perfect for homes with pets, this vacuum easily captures pet hair, dirt and debris with its powerful vacuum suction, self-cleaning brush roll, and self-empty system. Control the robot hands-free with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, and enjoy extended runtime with recharge and resume. According to a customer review, the Shark AV2511 EAI Ultra Robot Vacuum is easy to set up and connect to Wi-Fi and the app on a phone. It handles deep pile carpet with ease and produces a remarkably good map of the house after a single cleaning run. The robot's ability to navigate appears to be excellent, and it systematically cleans numerous areas. It is perfect for homes with pets and is able to handle pet hair, dirt, and debris with ease. Number 2. Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Shark AV2501 Robot Vacuum is a high-performance cleaning machine that is perfect for homes with pets. With its incredible suction power, matrix clean navigation, and precision home mapping, this vacuum is able to clean your home thoroughly and efficiently. Its hands-free control and extended runtime make it a convenient and powerful tool for keeping your home clean and tidy. The Shark AV2501 Robot Vacuum is the perfect solution for anyone looking for a reliable, efficient, and powerful cleaning machine. The Shark AV2501 Robot Vacuum is highly recommended by customers who have used it. They praise its powerful suction, self-cleaning brush roll, and HEPA filtration system, which make it perfect for homes with pets. Customers also appreciate its precision home mapping, hands-free control, and extended runtime, which make it easy and convenient to use. Overall, the Shark AV2501 Robot Vacuum is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, reliable, and efficient cleaning machine. Number 3. Shark IQ Robot Vacuum. The Shark IQ Robot Vacuum AV970, also known as the Shark Robot Vacuum, is a powerful and convenient cleaning solution for your home. With its incredible suction power, it can tackle large debris, small debris, and pet hair on both carpets and floors. Thanks to its self-cleaning brush roll, you no longer have to worry about hair wrap during cleaning. You can easily schedule whole home cleanings using the Shark Clean app or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The robot vacuum methodically cleans row by row and navigates room to room, ensuring complete home coverage. It also features a recharge and resume function, allowing it to return to the dock, recharge, and continue cleaning where it left off. Designed for homes with pets, it has an XL capacity dust bin, a high-efficiency filter, and a self-cleaning brush roll to capture dust, dander, and pet allergens. With its dual spinning side brushes, it effectively handles edges and corners. The Shark Robot Vacuum includes the robot, charging dock, side brushes, filter, and bot boundary strips. Its multi-stage filtration system captures and traps 99% of dust, dander, and pet allergens, providing a cleaner and healthier living environment. Number 4. iRobot Roomba 692 Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Roomba 692 Robot Vacuum features a sleek design that complements any home decor. With the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant, you can schedule it to clean your home daily. It has a 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes that clean carpets and hard floors. It also has adaptive navigation and sensors that detect dirtier areas of your home. The robot vacuum runs for up to 90 minutes and will automatically dock and recharge. Number 5. RoboVac 11S Max Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The UFI Boost IQ RoboVac 11S Max is a powerful robot vacuum cleaner with 2000 pascals super strong suction and Boost IQ technology. It is equipped with an anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, an infrared sensor for evading obstacles, and drop sensing tech to avoid falls. It is also capable of cleaning for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors with consistent, powerful suction at a volume no louder than a microwave. Number 6. ABIR Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR P20 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful, slim, and smart robotic vacuum with 2800 pascals suction power, app control, 120 minutes runtime, and self-charging capabilities. It is ideal for low-pile carpets, pet hair, hard floors, and tile floors. Customers have praised its great suction power, slim body design, and scraper technology for deep cleaning. It also comes with a remote control and a 12-month warranty. Number 7. Shark's Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark's Robot Vacuum, also known as the Shark's Robot Vacuum RV912S, is a powerful and convenient cleaning solution for your home. With its bagless, self-emptying base, you can forget about vacuuming for up to 30 days as it holds a large amount of dirt and debris. Its incredible suction power allows it to tackle both large and small debris, as well as pet hair, leaving your floors spotless. The Shark's Robot Vacuum also features row-by-row cleaning, ensuring complete coverage of your rooms. It can recharge and resume cleaning, picking up where it left off. With its multi-stage filtration system, it captures dust, dander, and allergens, making it perfect for pet owners. You can easily control the vacuum with the app or your voice, and its multi-surface brush roll and dual spinning side brushes handle edges, corners, carpets, and floors with ease. The package includes the Shark's Robot Vacuum, self-empty base, 2 side brushes, and a filter.